Hello students. Today we learn about lines and angles. Introduction. You can see that the image is of a line segment. You can prepare a line segment with the help of scale having two endpoints. This is an image of a line without no ending point. The two arrows show that line can proceed in any direction. You can easily recognize the image of a ray. This is also a ray, but in this ray the initial point is B. If the two lines intersect at a point, we call them intersecting lines. Do you know why the two lines called parallel? This is the reason. If two lines are having same distance throughout, so we call them parallel lines. Now you can easily distinguish between a line segment, and a ray. Ray has one initial point. Line segment has two endpoints, and line does not have any endpoint. If I join two rays, what will it become? Yes, it will become an angle. These are the two examples from our daily life. These are the examples of angles. Here on the screen you can see the types of angle. Acute angle, more than 0 but less than 90. Right angle, measure 90 degree. Obtuse angle, more than 90 but less than 180. 180 degree. Or straight angle, more than 180 but less than 360, it is a reflex angle. And a complete angle is of 360 degree.